I'm here to review the Goalrilla GS54 in-ground basketball hoop with variable height. This one actually was installed in 2014, but it's the exact same product they make today. It's really a testament to how good of a product it is. It's kind of the gold standard in kind of in-ground basketball hoops for homes. This one I love because it's got the variable height. So this one's set at 10 feet, goes all the way down to 7.5, which is great. Our other one's at 7.5, you'll see that. This one's at 10 right now. The crank system is really easy to use. It's got a really easy to read gauge here to make sure your kids or parents are putting it exactly the right level that you want to be at. It's got a great breakaway rim as well, so when you do dunk, I'm not lucky enough to dunk, but when it's lower and you can dunk, you can kind of feel the way the rim gives, just like a real hoop. You can go see this other one. This one's set at 7.5 feet. Just to give a sense for what it looks like. This one you can see like it's got some really nice give to it. It's good for the kids. It's been there for 10 years. It looks exactly the same as when we put it in. So I absolutely love this product. I think it's really great for a home with little kids or big kids. It works just the same. So I highly recommend.